What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I have another cool video for you and a fantastic attack. Schulten against Kieseritzky, and we have e4 by white, e5, f4, a king's gambit, and now he takes f4, bishop to c4, the bishop gambit, and now queen h4 immediately. King f1, and now he played this nonsense idea b5. It's really hard to imagine why he played it, but the best move here is to play d6 in order to develop the bishop and attack the queen. In any case, b5 is a move, bishop takes b5, knight to f6, both players try to attack very hardly, and now we have knight to c3, knight to g4. You can see they are playing direct for the throat. He would like to checkmate here on f2. We have knight h3, try to defend, maybe the first time in the game, and now knight to c6, developing the pieces, and white player doesn't care for anything else to exchange pieces, for example, or do something like that. He is going for the very aggressive idea. He played this knight to d5, and he would like to attack, for example, to perform that double attack. We have knight to d4. Of course, black didn't defend as well, but he is going forward with his pieces. Knight takes c7, this is a check. King takes king d8, just go here, and knight takes a8. And as you can see now, white have a whole rook up. His position is close to winning, but the black player played that move, f3. And he would like to continue his attack because now he has a lot of pieces and a lot of initiative over here closer to the enemy king. The white player played that move d3, tried to develop f6, preventing that very strong threat because d3 not only developed but created that threat bishop to g5, attacking the queen and the king. We have f6, bishop to c4, and imagine what? Black played d5 here. And the idea behind the d5 move is to liberate the diagonal for the bishop, and this bishop can join the attack. Now we have bishop takes d5, bishop to d6, almost developing all of his pieces. The king is in the center, but all the other pieces are almost developed. And black has some compensation here for the sacrifice material. It's one rook and two pawns. Finally, white played that move, queen e1, and he would like to exchange queens. And in the way that he did it, he is losing material here. For example, we can capture on e1, he can capture here and can perform this double attack, attacking the king and rook. This is one continuation, but not the best. What are you going to do now with black? Can you find the best move? And the best move is f takes g2, this is a check. King takes g2, it was easy, but what are you going to do now? Because now it's the fantastic moment. And the black player found this amazing idea to sacrifice the queen. Queen takes h3, attacking the king. The only move is to capture with the king, only logical move, but then we have knight to e3, this is a check, thanks to that bishop, thanks to the d5 move that he played earlier. And now we have king to h4, knight f3, another check. It's a double attack, attacking the king and queen, but who cares about the queen? After king h5, we would like to perform the checkmate, right? Can you find a checkmate in one move? Yes, this is bishop to g4, a checkmate. I hope you enjoyed that short video. Thank you very much and see you soon.